department or even individuals. In this case, this coin represents the Ohio Department of Veteran Services. And on it is a logo which we designed just recently so we can more effectively identify ourselves to our veterans, reach out to them as Justice Stratton continues to do, and to know who they are, connect them to their benefits, whether that's in the Veterans Court, helping them with medical benefits or what have you, or simply providing a hand and a friendship. And in this logo that we designed is the flag, or the field of the Ohio flag, or Burgee. And in the center of that field, you may not know, the red disc with the white O, is also the arm patch, the logo or the emblem of the 37th Division, the Buckeye Division, served certainly since World War I, where my uncle fought, my uncle from Cleveland fought in the front lines of World War I. And most recently, our dear colleague, Sean Hannon, was a member of this unit when he gave up his life last April. On the back of the coin is a statement that's known by many people. There's a silhouette of Abraham Lincoln, and he made this pledge during his second inaugural speech, knowing the tremendous challenges that lay ahead for the U.S. and that they'd already gone before him. And at the end of his speech, he said that we, the people, will care for him who shall have borne the battle, and for his widow, and for his orphan. And Justice Stratton is doing those very things today for all of us, especially our veterans, and we're deeply grateful. Thank you.
It's a good surprise. I thought you were kind enough to me last time, and so I am so honored. Somebody obviously told someone I loved flowers. I buy them for myself all the time, so I will very much appreciate these flowers. I am just so honored to have the opportunity to have been a justice, to have the clout to do the work I had because of the big title. My hope in the future is that freed of the restrictions of the job, freed of those 5 feet of briefs I keep talking about, and the ethical restrictions and advocacy, I hope I can do even more in this area, and that is why I'm making my career change. And we were very excited yesterday, Colonel Bowe and I were together at Belmont Correctional Institute and dedicated a wing solely for veterans who are going to be, some of them are going to be going back into the military. There's a very strict program they started with 14 veterans who had chosen to enter this. They're going through a program that's a kind of a military readiness program, and when they finish it, when they finish their sentence, the Army will take them back with a waiver. And Colonel Moe spoke at that and spoke of his 5 years in the Hanoi Hilton in North Vietnam, yet his message was one of hope to those young men, and I was just so touched by that. So many of you have kind of expressed a little concern that I'm not going to be around anymore. Sue is staying with me. We will be sending an address change around your email, so everybody will know. It'll probably be just business as usual for most of you. You won't notice any difference, I don't think. The Attorney General has consented to let me stay co-chair with him, so I'm just going to be doing the same thing, but hopefully more, and a little more on the national end. But I hope to be the senator from Ohio that brings the pork home. Every time I can find some funds, I'll bring them home. So I'll take your place in that regard. Yeah, so. Thank you so much, and I'm so honored, very touched. This point will be very, very special to me.